Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In this video, we are going to discuss about variables and constants in C language. Variables and constants in C language. So variables are generally used to store a value. Variables are generally used to store a value, and it is a name given to a memory location. Name of the memory location. The nature of variable is it keeps on changing. The nature of variables is it keeps on changing. So syntax for declaration of variable is data type space variable name equal to value. So data type, we can take any predefined data types like integer, character, float, double. Example, int variable name is a and we are assigning a value like 20. If you are taking multiple variables, then the syntax for declaration of multiple variables is data type space variable 1 equal to value, comma variable 2 equal to value. Like this, we can take n number of variables. And definitely it should be terminated with semicolon. In C language, every statement ends with semicolon. Semicolon is also called as statement terminator. Example, int a equal to 52, comma, b equal to 10. So like this, we can take n number of variables. Let us take a pictorial representation of this by taking an example. Consider the name of the memory location is x. I am trying to assign the value as 10. Now I am reassigning the value to 20. It will accept modifications. Since the nature of variable is it keeps on changing, so now the updated value is 20. Let us now execute it online compiler. I am declaring the variable int x equal to 10. So for printing, we are going to use the function called printf. Present value of x. Since it is integer, the format specifier is %d. I'm going to print the x value. Now I'm reassigning the value of x equal to 20. Let us print the updated value printf. Updated value of x is x. Let us run this code now. You can observe the output here. Present value of x equal to 10 and updated value of x equal to 20. This is about variable. Next, we will discuss about constant. This is also same as variable. Constant is also used to store a value. Constant is also used to store a value, and it is also a name given to a memory location. The nature of constant is fixed. So once if we declare a variable as constant, its value will be fixed throughout the program. We can't change that value, or we can't modify that value. So the syntax for declaration of constant is const is a keyword which is used to represent constant, data type, space, variable name equal to value. Example, constant, const, space, float, pi equal to 3.147. So the value of pi is 22 by 7, which is equal to 3.147, and that value will be fixed throughout the program. After this, if we are trying to modify the value of pi, we will get an error saying the value of pi can't be modified since it is declared as constant. Let us understand this by taking a pictorial representation. Now I am taking a memory location with the name pi and assigning the value to 3.147. If I am trying to modify this pi value, we are going to get an error saying the value of pi is only read only. Let us run this program in online compiler. I'm considering the previous example, but before declaration of variable, I'm using a keyword called constant. Now, if I'm trying to reassign the value to 20, we will get an error. Let us run this program. You can observe here error assignment of read-only variable x. So this is about variables and constant. Thank you, friends. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and keep supporting. Thank you, friends.